Ark.
Salvation first.
Ark.
On the way to heaven.
Osmani Morrison ye.
This is Messenger Morrison.
Morrison.
Nyame onshira wo pa.
God bless you so much.
Mo bisa me bebre say menkasa more emfa rapture and after rapture ho.
You're asking more for more teachings about rapture and after the rapture event.
And it's mo enka biribi kakra emfa after rapture.
So I want to do a little teachings about rapture and after the rapture event.
Sisi a mene mo kase no se mene mo nyina hia na yetena ase a.
As I talk now, if I should happen to meet all of you so that we sit together.
Eno na metimi amamu into details. Enyama bebre a the Antichrist, Satan and Edom omo yesisia.
That's when I'm going to go into details and give you the insight as to what the devil or Satan and his people are about to do.
They are doing. Yes. Okotefo no fetish priest and priest okotefo jujufo no ne akonfo mema obrensam nkrofo ni nyina no omo ye dwuma kase pa fa sex ho.
These people who are for Satan, that is the fetish priest and the fetish priestess, these malams and the occult people are working greatly for the devil.
Ameyo kanye tronu no lao, ameyo kole tronu wa, ameyo le vudupu no vio wa, ameyo kanye malamu wa, ole don sese wamuna abosan fefi adupela pa.
O yusu wiase sikafo ni nyina na okọ Vatican and other places miamia huru bebre omo ye adwuma wo sex no ho pa.
He's using a lot of people including the wealthy and those in Vatican just towards the 666.
Ole do won pa le hikan penu wa lo CCC akele jojoga ole do won chompa
666 no abaw e wo ho omo ye ho adwuma na emom no they can't enforce it on people now.
66 is already here, but the truth is they cannot enforce it on the people because they are still working.
CCC la ele eva hoko ela fia hoko kaka o ma to force amadeka akọ CCC la aneo.
Wonim coronavirus any other problems nyina no one na omaye ni nyina de aba.
The fact is that coronavirus and all the problems we are going to face are invented by these people.
Nyatepe nyenye dolele vondi kela amo wuma yowenya ameyo kekweve elo dowochum.
Second beast no buy no woman no ho ye adwuma nyina me gide say mo amutie me messages for the first and second beast ho no mote ase ye pa.
For those of you who have already listened to me when I did the teachings about the first and second beast, you already know a lot about the second beast.
Sisia me no mo kase no me kan say obama ye live in the world as technology people. Nimpa nyina e ba ba ye technology and everything is going to be technologized. Just idea bia baba technology.
So I remember I told you in one of my teachings that everything we're going to use from now onwards is going to be in a form of technology, and I hope you remember all that.
Nui unsia nui kele jige fifia mia awele mia pe mo kaponu oji alo emoji.
Mekano 2 years ago me no kase no what say biribi aba your friend of 5G. I planted chip na dear ewo nimpadua mu.
About 2 years ago, I spoke about the fact that people were going to implant certain chips in their skins, and of course, it's happening. And we're seeing the 5G invention as well.
Megbelefe eveke yoba imebe na de vavage enye 5G enye chip ade e wa kokko gedemia fe enlame e fifie mele no pochonwa eva ha kokko le dowochon.
And nti saa nneɛma nyinaa no ɛyɛ nneɛma a wɔde siesie akwan ɛde ama 666.
All these things we are hearing is just a preparation towards the 666.
Nu yo kata mele no poncho fifie o kata o jira odo de emojina 66 alo 66 epe vavan.
Na ebusuafo 66 na ɛba no sɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ force na wiase nyinaa bɛtumi edi sika koro na yɛbɛhyɛ nipa nyinaa sɛ wɔnyɛ a adeɛ bi bɛsi ansa.
If we should go on and have this 666, what is going to take place is that there's some event which is going to take place before the 666, and so every world is going to, or the whole world is going to spend one currency before, that is before what will happen.
Yes.
Nenye be CCC abo megbe ananda ikele bavaga fifia ole wogele the whole world miakata miadu egadeka eke miadu ele benade nejo.
Adeɛ bɛdi kan ne yɛ rapture. Ohum.
The first thing which is going to happen before the 666 is rapture.
Na
Nuike ava fifie nye be le kike mepe nuwu bo megbe.
na ɛno no mani agye paa ɛsan sɛ 2021 up to 2024 ɛyɛ nyame pa rapture bɛsi, and I'm so happy.
I should confess I'm extremely excited about this event because from now to 2021, 2025, rapture is about to happen.
Fifia mele nu pom na ejile jonyento ala bena ma didi o kike mele enuge chu fifie ko ide 2021 2025 a kike ma ato awonu.
Na mpo kura de sɛ nsi a enimpa bɛwu.
And even if it should not happen, people are still going to die.
Nenye be mejo ha amegede ole kukuge.
Na bɔ mmɔden sɛ wobɛwu sɛ okristoni ɔtrenini ama sɛ ohwumbrɛ no awufo a ɔmuwi wɔ kristo mu ne sɔre a wɔn nso watumi asɔre bi.
Just make sure that you die as someone who has already gained salvation, and so that when the time of resurrection happens for those who are going to be raptured, you'll be with them.
Jagbagba bene be yakua na kule Kristo me na kwapeto Yesu Kristo wa wapeto pro wodela nenye bene ku vo megba nenye be mi apeto Yesu Kristo va bi abadro hon la be ho after for the chitrene.
So rapture ne siria afi the torture and the torment for those who are going to refuse to take 666. So rapture ne siria one more mbaye wa adwene se won je 666 no amanene o hawa obefam na meka ho asem.
I'm going to talk about what is going to take place after the rapture event. That is those who will be left behind, the kind of trouble and challenges they are going to go through. That is the torment and the torture they are going to face.
Medie ma pon le na da ona me bi fie le hike me pe nu vo megba nu ike abajo leke abosam ava aba wo funya aba wo fuplimi nu ike me mi ato nu pe ka me wo meke mi ato amedie ma pon
Aba wo funya ɛhɔ ne na ɛyɛ me depa aba wo funya kyɛ sɛ wo mo ba funya nipa bia ɛnyɛ easy.
The truth is that they are really going to torment people.
nya tefe nya nya aba wo funya me.
Sɛ wo kasa wonje 66 na de ɔmo bɛyɛ ne nie yɛ de wo bɛgyina agyem entabra oguso a wo hye no na yɛ bisa wo sɛ ɔbɛgye ana wonje.
After the rapture, the 666 is going to take place, and this is what is going to happen. They will set fire and then put you on top of the fire and ask you as you melt whether you're going to take the 666 or not.
Nu ike abajo le kike me pe nu vo megba ameyoko aba nu anya nenye be ele tepa po odoji a wo le jodo gade report mege wa ko ba fo akoda neji ejo na na ofia wa bia osebe akwa peto Yesu Kristo alo ajabusa yu malo ahosisis
Sisi a ye betwa wo afuru so honam ne nyina na wo nso na pie na egu wo nsam na ye bisa wo sɛ ɔbɛgye ana wonje.
Your tummy will be cut open, and then you have your intestines right in your palms, and they will still continue to ask questions whether you're going to accept the 666 or not.
Fifia nu ike gajojo ge wo le obopo doji nla ge nu yo kata nye dome nu yo kata adokoda wasime emegbe ba wa ga bi osebe ahosisis alo ajama oyume.
Ye betwa wo akiri honam ne nyina afiri hɔ na afei no ye de iron ahyɛ gem manado na ye de esi honam no so na ye bisa wo sɛ ɔbɛgye ana wonje.
Your skin will also be cut open, and
your
then
back skin no
will be cut open, and then an iron will be very hot and then be inserted into the skin, and then you'll still be asked whether you take the 6-6 or not.
Nui ka ga join bo opa megba olo opa megba lage e megba na no level wako iron ke eve pa he jejua wako dete pe ma ho lame e still waga na obi asebe wako CCC ano agema uyume
yɛbɛtumi de fitii ahyɛ gye mu dadeɛ ahyɛ gye mu na yɛde awura wo hwene mu na yɛde hama abɔ so na yɛbisa wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
They can also insert a cutlass in the fire and then place it in your nose, and the hammer will be hit hard on it, and then still, upon all the pain, they'll still be asking if you accept the 6-6.
Nui ke aga joma gba wako gakpo akode jume e wa bia no bia wako de open ngatime klo open nume e wako hama akono fu wa ide wo metie me e waga no bia wako CCC alo agema uyume.
Afei yɛde dadeɛ metal bɛhyɛ gye mu na yɛde etu ani na yɛde akyerɛw de yɛbisa wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
A metal will also be put in the fire, and as hot as it is, it will be plugged. Your eye will be plugged out with that hot metal, and then your eye will be out, and they will still ask if you will accept the 6-6.
Nui ke galeji ge waga ko gakpo make aga ko de jume wa ve e wako de wonkuda no de nkuda wako de wasi rume e waga bi osebe wako CCC alo agema uyume.
Yɛde metal drum anaasɛ dadesan yɛde bɛsi agya so a nsuo anim na yɛde watum na yɛakata wɔ so nti abere a wɔhyɛ no na yɛbisa wo wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
A metal pot will also be put on fire without water, and so as it melts, you'll be placed in that pot, and then as you melt, they ask whether you accept the 6-6.
Nui ke gaja jofo megba wako gaze akodare kupoti alo akodare joji e wako wa akode gaze la me e wako no akochi ojiwo e enu makebo a e gaze la le fie wa le lolo wa ga bi osebe wako CCC alo agema uyume.
Afei yɛbɛtumi abɔ wo dua mu na yɛbisa wo yɛde dia chainsaw for the pae dua no na yɛde twa wo na yɛbisa wo wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
You could also be crucified on the cross, and then you have the chainsaw machine being used to cut you open, and then they will ask if you still accept the 6-6.
Wa klan wo de aticho gaunti abale ko klamia peto Yesu Kristo de aticho gaunti e wa ko sa e ko janati a wa ko dareju ana ojem e nu mamvo a wa ga bi obe wa ko CCC ala agema uyume.
Afei torture de bi so bɛyɛ sɛ ebia hot water nsuo a yɛanoa ehuru paa no na yɛsɛ gu so na yɛbisa wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
Some of the torture is also that a boiled water to a very high degree Celsius will be poured on you, and you'll be asked if you accept the 6-6 or not.
Nui ke aga join yebe kike me wunu fo nui ke aga join yebe wa ko chijoju ko de joji wa ve anofepiem e wa lawo deme e ono lawo deme vo wa no bia bede akọ CCC alo agema uyume.
Yɛbɛ plug heater na yɛde ekura wo afei yɛde plier bɛsɔ wɔ se yɛ plug heater ne kura wo a na yɛde electric plier so asɔ wɔ se na yɛbisa wo wɔbɛgye anaa wɔnyɛ.
They will insert an electronic plier on your teeth, and then a heater will also be plugged, and then as it heats, you'll be holding the heater, and then they will ask questions whether you take it or not.
Ole heater plug gade glenwuge play electricity e wa ko plier e ya chenu ke evesesenda wa ko de wadu beno ho wadu leme e nu makebo a wa ga na obia be wa ko miafeto Yesu Kristo alo akọ CCC.
Nneɛma na ɔmo de bɛyɛ torture wɔ ho ɛyɛ bebree na ɔde ama memfa wo nsi ha sɛ open more just call me on 02477 01364 or WhatsApp me, I'll give you more.
People will really go through a lot of torture and torment, but I want to end here with those few little examples I've given. And so if you want to know more, just WhatsApp as usual on 0247 701364 for more.
nu gedeo aba jole le kike me pe nu vo megbe kaka me di ma ko se tepe ya nenye be edi nu gbogbo be asechunwa jagba na yo nyi pe mo kapo jesi 0247701364 na magbo
na ade ba ko ne se rapture ni nya siwi a obeda obesore na wo sika egu bank no ya convert ni nyina into 666.
The truth about the rapture is that after it has taken place, all the money that you have will be converted into
666. Yeah.
nuike aga jobo megbenye be nenye be ope gayo kata le gajado pe le bank wa nenye be CCC la lo kike me ewu nuvo wa hegama kata ava CCC.
And until so one just na you can't go to bank and cash your own money.
And so if you do
And
so if you don't accept the 666, the truth is that you cannot go to the bank and pick your own money.
Nenye be meto ho CCC sewa nenye be mehwewa ega okata otros CCC sta ne mekwa leke ogapa ide gajado pa lo bank abade opega afia plenu.
Afi so no wo sika set den kra na wonje 666 ne ya. Untumi nkɔ hospital nkɔtɔ aduro untumi nkɔ abɔnten nkɔtɔ aduane untumi mmɔ ɛnyɛ hwee sɛ wonye 666 ne ya.
Despite your riches, if you don't accept the 666, you cannot go out and do anything. No shopping, you cannot visit the hospitals, you cannot do anything without the 66 mark.
Nyatepenya onye nenye be enye gato a enye gato emekwa CCC akodemo a mato ide koji o mato pleno adu mato dogo mato ya fideka o.
Ade ba ko sɛ wo hwɛ coronavirus bere a abra yɛ total lockdown no wo yɛ sikani wo yɛ ohiani obi a hyɛ ne fi and the 66 mbere no so no that is how it's going to be na no na be more tough than sɛ ne yɛhu coronavirus die.
If you consider the days of coronavirus when the lockdown was set in, we realized that whether you are rich or poor, it wasn't easy for you to go out there and do anything. That is exactly what is going to take place after the rapture, but it's going to be more tougher.
Le dolela ya ke eba fifiera mo le kuku mo le koji evo megba okpobo o block mo gede ba medeke ma dogo enye gato enye hiato enye koto mi akata mi le kome enu ke abajo le rapture be emegbe voa anya na de ke ase kura awu fifia
sɛ 666 de ba ye be dika di ama sojafoɔ polisifoɔ immigration for SEPS for nurse for a doctor for and all the task force into the South force for ni na be be fie seriously with guns with cutlass so be a messing kwaje.
The 666 as it takes place will be given to the people who belong to the naval service, that is the police people, the soldiers, the SEPS, name all the people who belong to our police services. And those who are nurses and doctors will also take them. And so nobody will be left behind. They will make sure they enforce it on people to take it.
Nenyebe CC serva vaga aje gomachomia no vikpo vitoji police o soja o armed forces o doctor o nurses o aje gomachoji nenyebe yo okwevo megbevo a kewa gade apeme kple klante etu kple ekpe po ba mesi amene dogo never for CC
ekpe po enti sa ekpe po ni ntino ebe ma bebre adwane afiri wankasa wo mfi akoteta wo nwirem bebre bedwane akota emmepo ne cage mu na se ho no so no sojafoɔ ne nam nwirem ɔmo de helicopter nam wiem enti ɔmo bɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ bebi a wo hyɛ bia no yɛbɛyi wo apie ma wabagye.
For this reason, people are going to run out of their own houses and go into the bush to seek shelter. But the truth is that these security people will patrol in the air, and so they will find you wherever you are so that you take the 666.
Lenu ike bo megbenye bo akokpo pele tu akoba pometa amegero sisige aide gbeme aide gbedada okobenu yoja agbani overla yodokwe kakemia no vikenya ayameto wa ole chacha geta fisi afike ebedia wa kpo aka odogwe
bo modern na for sika nyina bra yemfa nyame adwuma wa sisi aye hia bundle credit ane niama bebre ebetime dia forward niama na mamo oho ye hia instrument mixer ne dia keka ho bebre ye hia de ebetimi de stream live na ade enti no bo modern se wo sika na wo no wodi bi beboa Osmani Morrison emre ti se mu esan se enche rapture baba na obehu se dia wo bri wo moje ni nya nyina no emfa so bi amma ho you can make use of it na bra na yanko heaven bra na yensiesie ye ho for rapture. God bless you.
Help us or help Osman for Morrison with the little that you can. Do not heap up all the money in your account. Just help us with the little you can. Get us credit to bundle to forward messages if you can. Help us with air conditioning, speakers, and all the things that you need in the studio to build up your studio. And if you do this together, we'll make heaven. Please help us because we need your help. And let's make our minds up that we want to make heaven so that when rapture takes place, we'll be caught up in the air. God bless you so much.
Mediama gbona olende ebe egayo kata la si wajagba na ko oga na ko support mi mo pa mepe dona na yingo mi hianu gede olu mebe soli o me mi hian mo mi hian speaker mi hianu gede air condition si anu mi hian ko oga na ba pede mi bene mo pe dollar na yingo mi hian bundle mi hian credit be mi akọ ascend nu gbogbo na mi be mi
the cash account cash
mi hian credit mi hian bundle mi hian ga be mi akọ mo pe dota me de kuku na mi pede mi
cash na ne gano
mi pere mi one mo pe
bogano so
mi pere mi on pele mi afa gao be mi afa mo do na yingo ma didiwa mi afa to Yesu Kristo aba mi va mi awodu ne mi akomi ado Kristo abo ne mo na pere mo ba agbema
na ma wona pere naga ga. God bless you.